Alright guys, today we have here, and the complaint is headlight was not working. Intermittently the customer will shake the connection, all of a sudden start working, and he hits like a pothole, whatever, and the light goes back out. And recently it hasn't been working. What I found here is we got a burnt connector. I don't know how good you guys can see that. You can see the one terminal is burnt, pretty common. You got some corrosion on the back side of the connection there, so it's just a burn up connector here, probably due to bad connection. So what I did, the reason I already have this cut off is because I went to the parts store. I actually took it with me. Sometimes dealing with places, it's not a bad idea to take what you can with you so they can match it up, can't give you the wrong part. And this is what the new style looks like. It does look different than the old, it does look different here, but it is the same one. This actually does two different bulbs. I got the, what is it, the one I have, the 11 that belongs in here.
Yeah, it's a H11 and H8.
And this one does two different styles. That's why this one looks different, but that's one of the reasons you take the part with you, because I even tried this on the bulb and it works perfect. So what I already did here was I already got the wires stripped back. I'm going to cut this wire harness down. It don't hurt to have excess wire. Give yourself plenty to work with, and I'm just going to use these two pink butt connectors. Now I am out of heat shrink, so I am just going to kind of half-ass it and wrap it up in electrical tape. All I did here was I put the stripped the wire down a little bit. I'm going to put these connectors on first outside the vehicle, make it a little bit easier. That's the one. Yeah, it's a little difficult. I wish I had a little bit more wire here to work with, make it a little bit easier, but I don't, so. Alright, I got them taped up here individually, and what I'm going to do just to make the harness look a little bit better and keep it more secure, I'm just going to wrap them now together. Just to protect the wiring. Alright, now it's all time for got a new bulb here, so we're going to throw this thing in here. Now, you probably won't be able to see me because I can't even see what I'm doing. Because the other problem was that they pump the lights, the light will go on and off. All solid, shake the wires, make sure we got all good connection. I'm shaking them, and I'm happy with that. Everything looks good. I'm shaking the hell out of this harness, and it looks good. No flickering.
Alright guys, so I hope you like that. We're trying a different format of video, so if you like that, let us know down below in the comment section. Hit that like button, and we'll see you on the next one, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope this helped you.